In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel items on Temu using a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're rethinking a purchase or simply made a mistake, understanding how to cancel an order is always a handy skill to have. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Temu website. Make sure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Once you're at the homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your account. Look for the login option usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials, which typically include your email address and password, and click on login. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option right there to reset it. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Orders and Accounts section. This can typically be found in the top menu or within the drop-down menu under your account profile. In this section, you'll be able to see a list of all your recent orders. Find the order you're looking to cancel. It'll be listed along with your other purchases, so take your time to select the correct one to avoid any errors. Once you've identified the correct order, look for the option to cancel items. This is your key step in the process, as clicking here will open up further options related to the cancellation process. After selecting cancel items, you'll be given a choice to proceed to cancel the order. It's important to pay close attention here as you decide whether to cancel specific items or the entire order. You'll see a list of items associated with your chosen order. Select the items you intend to cancel by ticking the respective checkboxes. If you decide that you want to cancel everything, there's typically an option to select all, which will simplify this step. With your selection finalized, click on Next Step. This action should guide you to a screen where you select your reason for canceling. Temu and platforms alike often use this information to improve their services, so you can choose a reason that best applies to your situation. Finally, there's one last action: confirm the cancellation. Once you've reviewed all your selections and ensured everything is correct, proceed to confirm the cancellation. A confirmation message or email from Temu will often follow, indicating that your cancellation process is complete and, if applicable, information regarding the refund process. That wraps up today's tutorial. Canceling an item or an entire order on Temu is straightforward as long as you know where to look and what buttons to click. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy to follow guides like this one.